Hey guys, this is Kaylee with Hope Public Adjusters. We are out here today working on this commercial roof system, checking it out for hail damage. Wanted to show you one of these hail impacts here. You can see the hail hit here, but there is some moisture that's getting under here. So obviously you can see the moisture coming out of there. So that's what we're out here doing today. If you guys need any help with your claims or have any questions, you can get us at hopepublicadjusters.com or 833-31-CLAIM. Thanks guys.